Every time someone buys from my Shopify store, they instantly get a personalized WhatsApp confirmation message automatically. No delays, no manual work, and it happens the moment payment is completed. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this exact automation using Pabbly Connect. So every new order triggers a WhatsApp message in real time. Customer expect instant confirmations, and if you delay even by a few minutes, it reduces trust. Now, this entire automation is powered by Pabbly Connect because it connects multiple applications without coding, automate repetitive tasks completely, and works in real time by saving hours of manual work, and most importantly, it ensures you to never miss a customer interaction. So instead of manually sending messages, the system does it for you. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can design this automation, let me quickly give you a real-time overview of how it will work. So I am on my Shopify store right now and I want to purchase this Lunara drop necklace. So I am clicking on this buy it now button, and to make a purchase I am entering the test details in each of these fields by entering the email address as realuser@pabblytweets.com. First name is real, last name is user, one test address, city, state, pin code, and one test contact number. The shipping method I have selected as standard. Now I am going to do one test payment by clicking on this pay now button. See, the moment the payment is successful, this is where the automation gets triggered. And just like that, within a second, I receive a WhatsApp message. And look at this. This message is fully personalized by my name that I have entered while doing the payment, and the order details too. So without doing anything manually, the customer gets an instant confirmation message right after ordering. So now you have seen the real-time working of this automation. So without wasting any time, let's build it step by step using Pabbly Connect. So for coming in this page, you have to go for pabbly.com/connect. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Next, I am creating a workflow from scratch, so I am selecting this option. After that, it will ask me to enter the workflow name that I am entering as how to automatically send WhatsApp messages for new Shopify orders step by step. Next, the folder I am selecting is Pabbly Connect. After that, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. See, the trigger is the starting point of your automation workflow. It tells the system when to begin. So this is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. In this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new order through my Shopify store, then automatically this automation gets triggered. That's why I am selecting my trigger application as Shopify. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as new order. Next, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Shopify account with Pabbly Connect. Now, I am going to take you to my Shopify account. See, this is the home of my Shopify store. Now, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Shopify, you have to click on the settings option and click on this notifications option. After that, click on this webhooks. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of plus create webhook. You have to click on this option, select the event as order creation. After that, the format I'm selecting as JSON. Next, I'm pasting the webhook URL in this field that I have copied from here. After that, the webhook API version I am selecting as latest. After that, I will click on the save button and see our webhook is saved successfully, and you will see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to purchase something from my Shopify store. So let's say this time I want to purchase this butterfly necklace. So I am clicking on this buy it now button. Again, I enter the test details in each of these fields. That is one test email address, but this time I have entered the first name as smart and last name as user, and the shipping method I have selected as standard. I also added one test address, and now I am doing one test and doing one test payment too. After that, and doing one test payment too by clicking on this pay now button. See, the the payment is done successfully as I have received the receipt. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. See, automatically I received a new response 6 seconds ago. That includes all the leads that I have entered while doing the payment. This means that our Shopify account is successfully connected with our Pabbly Connect account and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Now I am moving forward to my action application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. Here I am using Pabbly Chat Flow for sending a message to my user's WhatsApp account. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting a send text message. After that I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I am going to take you to my Pabbly Chat Flow account. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now what is Pabbly Chat Flow? So Pabbly Chat Flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now for getting this token, you have to click on the settings option and go in this API and webhooks, and here you got your token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, you have to click on the save button, and see, this is how easily you can make the connection. Next, in this recipient mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping from the previous application. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of mobile number. Here I have mapped with the help of this mapping automatically based on the user's details. This number will change. After that, in this WhatsApp message field, I am going to enter the message that I want to send to all of my user. Here I have added. Now after this, I want my username. So for that, I am again doing the mapping from the previous application. That is the user's full name as smart user. After that, the product, quantity, amount, lastly the address. Here I have mapped and I write this message content by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business and product. My objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation inside Pabbly Connect. After entering the message, I'm moving forward to the next. These are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. I'm also going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message that includes my name as a smart user, product as butterfly necklace, quantity, amount, and the address. Exactly same content that I have entered in this WhatsApp message field. Here I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As the message is successfully sent to the WhatsApp business account, this means that our automation is working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.